Hello. In the Tudor period, women who were married typically wore their hair parted in the middle and up in a bun, and then the bun was covered. So for today, I'm working on making an Elizabethan caul. Cauls could be made out of anything from linen, which is what this fabric is, to more expensive fabrics such as silks, velvets, or brocade. A caul normally has a diameter of about 10 to 12 inches. So here I folded over the fabric once. Flip it over. And I'm making a 12-inch caul, so I'm making sure, since this is folded in half, that I've got more than 6 inches. And now I'm going to fold it in half this way. So right here, that corner will be the center of my circle. And that's also 6 inches. So from here, I'm going to take a pen, mark my 6-inch mark here. My 6-inch mark here. And then, still moving from the folded corner here, I'm going to measure 6 inches out and continue placing my pins to mark my spot. As you can see, I've got my pins going around so that this makes a quarter of a circle, and you notice from this point, anywhere in the quarter circle, I have 6 inches. Now at this point, I'm going to cut the fabric. Now that the fabric's cut, I'll take my pins out. And I've got the circle for the back of my caul. Now for the front part of the caul, you'll want to take a measuring tape and measure around your head, depending on where you want the caul to sit. And with that, you'll want to measure and then add 1 inch. So I want it to sit right about here, which says it's 21.5 inches, so I'll be adding another inch to make it 22.5 inches long. Now I want the band to be 4 inches wide and 22.5 inches long. So here I'll take my pins and mark out 4 inches. And I'll also measure out 22.5 inches long. And now I'll cut out the fabric. Take the fabric, fold it over, joining the 2 edges together, and then I'm going to pin these together. Now for the back of the caul, I've decided to add an embroidered pattern to it. pattern that I have picked is similar to the patterns found on a 16th century Italian linen cloth at the Museo del Tessuto in Prato, Italy. Is I'll stretch this out so I know where the top part should go. Two sides pinned. Now it's time to pin in between each pin. And for this, you can either do one large gather or do little small gathers. And now I'm almost done pinning. I've decided to do two little gathers in between each of the, I guess you consider it the four corners. And here's the last gather. Now let's go sew this. That the inside seam has been sewn, and here's the underside of the embroidery. Now I'm going to flip it right side out, and now I'm going to edge of the front. Fold it over about 1/2 inch. And then from here, we're going to fold it up. And you want to cover the inside seam, like so. As you're doing this, make sure you pull the fabric tight on the front side, fold over the fabric, and then pin on the inside. So here's what the outside looks like, and the inside. From here I'm going to whip stitch the underneath side where the pins are. I've already taken my thread and I've knotted my end. And when you do this, you just want to stick the needle in just through 1 or 2 holes of the linen fabric on the outside. That way it doesn't show up too much. See? As you can see, I'm just going over about every centimeter, going through 1 or 2 holes on the outside linen fabric, and then pulling it through. That way you don't see the stitching on the outside. Now that I'm all done sewing the front part to the back, an option if you have difficulty keeping cauls in your hair is to sew this on the inside like this, and the combs will help keep the caul attached to your hair. And as you can see, the caul is complete. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please let me know. Have a great day.